Hey everyone, welcome. Today I'm diving into something that's gone totally viral. Nano Banana AI. Now before you ask, no, it's not a tiny fruit. It's actually one of the most powerful AI editing tools we have seen yet. And trust me, it's about to change the way we create content. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly what it is, how to use it, why people love it, and also why some people are a little worried about it. So picture this. You have got a photo of yourself at home, sitting in your PJs. In just seconds, Nano Banana can place you on a yacht, in a medieval castle, or even as a superhero flying through the city skyline. And the wild part? You still look exactly like you, not a weird AI cousin version of you. That's why everyone is talking about it, and today I'll show you how it works. Okay, let's rewind for a second. A few years ago, AI image generator hits the scene. Tools like Daily, Midjourney, and Stable Fusion. They were impressive, but they had flaws. Identity consistency, weird hands, and messy details. Fast forward to 2025, Google drops Nano Banana, part of the Gemini AI family. Suddenly, we have got an image tool that understands not just prompts, but contexts, lighting, and most importantly, your face and identity. So, what does Nano Banana bring to the table? Here is a breakdown. You can create new images just by describing them. You can upload a photo and make changes with prompts. And it keeps the same person across multiple edits. And it understands lighting, perspective, and style, so it's look natural. It blends multiple references into one new creation. Okay, let's see it in action. Here is a regular photo of me. Now I will tell Nana Banana, put me in a coffee shop with cozy lighting. And there it is. Same face, new vibe. Less prompt, put me on a tropical beach with a sunset. Boom, new background, same me. Now let's get creative. Turn me into a medieval knight standing in front of a castle. Same me, just ready to fight dragons. Next one, cartoon style, same person but in a superhero outfit. Yep, still me, just animated. Look at that. Nana Banana keeps everything smooth, realistic, and most importantly, consistent. Looking ahead, this kind of tech is only getting to get better. Brands might use it for ads without expensive photo shoots. Indie creators can make comics, games, and words with just prompts. Even education, marketing, and fashion could be reshaped by it. Hey, this is my first video. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more AI breakdowns, and share this with a friend who is into tech. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video.